Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, my name is Kat, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how I deep clean my fridge. So this fridge actually came with my house when we moved in about a year and a half ago. It is stainless steel, but I think it's like a fake stainless steel because it is magnetic on the front. So I'm just showing you guys all the dirt and fingerprints and everything because I am going to be wiping down the outside as well. This I actually am filming the day before. We're going to go grocery shopping tomorrow morning. So I figured why not give it a good deep clean before we go grocery shopping so it's just easier and there's less stuff to move. As you can see, there's just like dirt and grime and crumbs and just sticky stuff all over. So I'm just going to be wiping all of that down. So I start by taking everything out of my refrigerator. Some people work in sections and they'll take everything out of the fridge door and then everything, but I actually use Comet and dish soap and hot water in my fridge. So while the bleach is in my refrigerator, I do not like any food to be in there. I do work in a hospital and have spoke to many doctors and dietitians about it, and they say that as long as the bleach is dry when you put your food back in and your food is not coming in contact with wet bleach, that it is perfectly safe. So here you're just going to see me mixing hot water with some surface cleaner. Sometimes I'll use like dish soap, and then I like to just use Comet or some other like Clorox cleaner because it disinfects. Favorite thing to clean out my fridge with is an old washcloth, especially one with like bumps and grooves, like something that would be good almost for like exfoliating, because I feel like it gets all the sticky stuff off really good and you can really get a good scrub in there. And I also make sure to get up underneath each shelf, because you'll never, like if you look at underneath each shelf, you will be so surprised at how many marks and like chocolate or whatever is like marked and disgusting up there from you just like putting things back and hitting the top shelf above it. So I continue cleaning this way, working from the top of my fridge down, obviously, so all the crumbs can fall downward. I do want to say that I switch it up. So every month I deep clean my fridge, every like 2 weeks actually sometimes, but I will switch it up. So this time I'm obviously leaving the shelves in. Next time I will actually take all the shelves out, wash them down in my sink and let them air dry, and then put everything back. I always take all the drawers out and sanitize those because those get filthy so fast. But I will rotate with the shelves every other time. After the bleach has dried, I like to go back in with a microfiber cloth and just a multi-surface spray. I think I'm using the French Vanilla Method spray here just to give it a really good wipe down, and also just to make sure that any bleach residue that's left over is just kind of wiped up, just to make sure that nothing is getting onto my food. While I'm letting the fridge dry out, I'm using that same bleach solution to clean out all 3 of the drawers that I took out, and then I will let those dry and then wipe those down with multi-surface spray again. And then after everything dries, I'm just going to go in and put everything back in. I did wipe down every single container before I put it back into the refrigerator. I just didn't film it because I figured that's pretty self-explanatory. After the fridge, I'm going to do the exact same thing to the freezer. My number one thing to tell people to clean in the freezer is their ice trays. Ice trays carry so much dirt and so much bacteria from people reaching into the trays and grabbing them, and I would just say, like, it's very important to periodically throw out all the ice left over in there, really sanitize that bin, and then put it back and restart the ice maker. Now that the inside is nice and clean, I'm just gonna kind of clean off the front. Pictures always tend to get put up there, which I love, but I like to kind of move them around, and it tends to clean the house up a lot. Also, these magnetic letters, my dog has been chewing them, so I'm kind of trying to like hide them in the back corner, hoping that my son really doesn't play with them and that eventually I can kind of throw them away. So I'm going to go in here with just the multi-surface method cleaner to give it a good spray down and just clean all the dirt off. And then after that, I'm going to go in with some Pledge to polish the stainless steel. Alright you guys, here is my nice clean fridge. I hope you guys liked this video, and please don't forget to like and subscribe. I will see you guys next time. Bye.